Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm going to show you how to cook your very own super duper delicious chicken kebab, cooked over charcoal of course, and it's going to have peppers and onions and some flavouring. So let's carry on. We start by cutting the chicken breast up into the appropriate sizes like this. Put them into a bowl. Then of course on the same board, it doesn't matter because it's all going to be cooked, we're going to cut the green pepper, same sort of slices, cut out all that white stuff, you don't want that really. Add all these to the bowl and an onion. Get the papery stuff off the outside of course, and yeah, appropriate sizes again, and into the bowl. That's it, that'll do, don't be too fussy, get on with it. Then we start adding our flavouring, some black pepper, sprinkle that over the top, some sea salt, grind some of that in that goes. Then some paprika, we love this. Now that's more for the colouring than the flavour I think. Then some soy sauce. This is the dark soy sauce. I think it's got more flavour. It's very salty. Then plenty of olive oil. Chicken breast does tend to be a bit dry, so you know, be generous with the olive oil. Then the star of the show I think, some lime juice, fresh limes. We'll squeeze this in. It just gives it that little edge and just a bit more flavour, it's lovely. Seems to stay in there with the cooking as well. We'll give this a bit of a mix. Then wrap it in some cling film and we'll leave that to marinate for about an hour I suppose. Longer if you've got time. You could even leave it overnight. All those flavours will go in. Then the difficult bit, you've got to skewer this. Bit of pepper, bit of onion. Don't squish it up too tight. You want the heat of the barbecue to get between the pieces, cook the meat all the way round, and obviously help add that charcoal flavour. There we go. There's one done. Don't stab yourself. And then we just got to do the rest. Yeah, what a perfect job. Start with the barbecue. Use the chimney, we'll get that started a bit quicker with this. Now, what I've done, I've used 2 house bricks and I've put them on end, as you can see, and then we're going to go on with the chicken skewer. Now after a while I decided that it was a bit high up, so I put the bricks down face down and get the skewers a bit nearer to the heat. That's a bit of an improvement I think. So now I'm going to give it a bit of a baste. Might as well do this, try and keep this chicken nice and moist and tender. As I've said before, chicken breast does tend to dry out, so the more moisture you can keep it, the better really. Plus it's going to add some more flavour. There we go, don't forget that end one. Give them a little bit of a turn. They're nearly done actually. Yeah, swap those about. Ones in the middle seem to get cooking quicker. There we go, look at that. Perfect. That's our dinner, nearly ready. Just got to plate up now. And here we have 3 very delicious meals. Plated up with a pita bread, some salad, and I don't know if you can see, we've got some plantain in there as well. Deep fried with some salt and pepper on. Lovely. So now it's time for our taste test. Always thinking about it. Come on. Is it good or is it not? Well, that truly is very, very delicious. You can taste the lime, you can taste the flavours and the soy sauce. It cooked perfectly. Please try it for yourself. It's not hard. Get your barbecue out now we've got a summer and enjoy. And I'll see you all again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, which I hope you have, please give it a like, please subscribe to my channel to see any future videos, and share it if you possibly can. Bye for now.